everyone, this quick video tutorial is going over cast on roses, and I do have another video that shows a different style of cast on flowers, and I will link that below, but this style is more of a natural looking flower. So I'm using a sharps needle, but a I don't know if I say that right or not, and I'm only using one strand of floss, but you can use as many as you would like to. So send your needle up to the right side of your work and then give a little bit of a space and send it back through to meet your starting point. And the length of the space is completely up to you. At this point, I like to hold my needle with my left hand so I can make the wraps with my right hand since I'm right-handed. And to make the wraps, you'll take your index finger around the floss and wrap it kind of up and then towards you and slide it onto the needle. And just give it a little pull so it's snug on the needle, but you don't want it to be overly tight. You should be able to move your needle easily within those wraps. So just continue to wrap until it's as long as you'd like. And this is a little bit up to your discretion. Like I said, this rose is going to have more of a natural look. So the longer the cast on stitches are from your empty space, the more the cast on is going to kind of have that little ripple effect that roses have and sort of stand up from your fabric. You know, how petals ripple, if you will. You'll see that I used my index finger and thumb to hold the wraps in place while I pull the needle out. And then I carefully pull the floss to cinch down the cast on petal down to the fabric. And since my cast on stitch was longer than the space allotted, the petal has this nice little ripple fold in it, if you will. It's sort of reminiscent of a real petal. So I send my needle to the wrong side of my work so I can make another petal. And this petal is overlapping the first petal, and just the same method is done, and you can just continue to add as many petals as you'd like. You can see I did one rosebud with 2 petals, and then I did a sort of like a side view of a blooming rose with 4 petals total. It's completely up to you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.